All right, so Erin and I are sitting down. We got both our computers. She's got Photoshop. I've got Fusion. She's got a sweet concept for a new T-shirt that we're going to unveil at Blade Show, and based on this Shirogorov shirt, actually, sort of loosely based on. I just love this shirt, and I love Shirogorov knives. Anyway, so I'm going through Fusion, designing how I want the actual design to be with the honeycomb and the pivot, and everything's like perfect. And then I'm going to send her like a DXF file or something that she can vectorize and then make an accurate T-shirt from. So it's the blend of the creative and the manufacturing perfectness, put it together. It's gonna be choice.
It's gonna be choice?
Choice.
I've never heard that before.
You've never heard choice?
No.
Seriously?
Like you say it's gonna be choice? It's like, oh, okay.
It's like
it's gonna be a good choice?
No, it's I don't know. I don't know who made it up. It's a thing. It's a thing, right?
I believe you.
I've heard it before, I think. If not, I made it up, but I totally didn't.
That's okay. I'll just start using it. Apparently it's a thing.
I thought it was a thing.
I always need new words.
Eric will know.
Yeah.
Eric and I grew up together.
You guys are brothers.
We know each other's jokes. He would have laughed. Solid. Choice. Alright. Moving over to Fusion. So we're basing the shirt off of a honeycomb design. And if you haven't already seen it, we'll get to that in a minute, what the creative's going to look like. So I wanted to drop in all the honeycomb and the outline and the blade perfectly oriented and the thumb stud and all that stuff. And then we're creating sketches based upon that if I hide everything else. So I got a blade sketch now and the honeycomb sketch, which sort of has a handle outline except it's missing a little section right here. And that's almost it. I just got to close up this last section of the handle. So I can edit the sketch, P for project, select that whole surface, and then it projected everything. Then we can rotate, boom, there we go. And then the honeycomb. And that should be more than enough of what Erin needs. Should we add a pivot in here too with like the logo?
Yeah, I'd like that.
Okay. That'll be the last step.
Mm-hmm. And the Shirogorov knife also has a logo in there.
Yeah, they engraved that on there.
Yeah.
So, I mean, definitely not trying to directly copy my Russian buddies here, but such a cool t-shirt. I love this shirt.
So, this is my concept for the t-shirt so far. It's not an exact perfect copy of what the Norseman is, but it is the general shape of the Norseman and generally where the honeycomb pattern is on the handle. And then we also have the logo there in the center, and I tried to make it really cheesy and 70s style because that's what we were feeling that day when we decided to do the design.
Yeah, we got on this weird 70s theme kick one day, and I'm like, oh, let's download a 70s font. That'll be hilarious. And then she went crazy with it, and I love it. It's goofy. Like, Grimsmo Knives does not take itself too seriously. But it should be really good. I'm looking forward to seeing it. I love the green, too. It matches the green in the case foam that we have. And it's kind of a goofy, zany color. Like, we're not those zombie death green kind of people, but with the 70s font, that's perfect. I totally feel like John Saunders right now, like giving Erin a fusion tutorial. Let's add a pivot onto the thing. So I'm going to open my pivot file. Guess I shouldn't chew a chip while I'm talking about this.
I'm really trying to be quiet.
Fusion's classic black screen of death that just goes, I'm thinking so hard. And we're back. Okay, so I got my pivot. That's my pivot screw, which I don't want to use. I want to use the Norseman pivot. Hide those sketches. That's not a Norseman pivot.
The Norseman pivot and the rasp
That's
pivot
the
are
one.
same?
No, the rasp pivot is round, and the Norseman pivot is oval.
Why is there the difference there?
Oh, just because to make them different. Otherwise, they're basically the same, which is nice.
The blue circle of death is even worse than the black rectangle, and you have both.
Both, right. And we're back. Back from commercial break. All right.
Chips.
So I'm going to rotate the pivot. I'm going to move it. I'm going to align it eventually. The angle's got to be ish perfect. I don't think it's that. I think it's just a little bit. Let's go 3 degrees. I feel like it's something like that. And then we can use the align function. We can select that and that. And there we go. So now we have a basically finished knife. I'll open the honeycomb. I'm going to get rid of this outline. So we'll try to export that. We'll see if it works for you.
T-shirts are ready. The design is ready at least, and the order has been set in. And I just wanted to show you the final design so that you can be ready to buy at a blade show. Okay, I'm going to show you the official design for the t-shirts. I'm going to go into that folder, and these are the exact things that I sent the producer of the t-shirts. We've got our one color t-shirt right here, and it's going to be on a black t-shirt, and it's going to be red and sweet. Look at that, we've even got our own tags. Our own Grimsmo tags. So we're gonna make them in all kinds of sizes. And then we've got our 3-color t-shirt design right here, which will also have the Grimsmo tag on it, and then the Grimsmo logo in the back here. And here is the moment you have all been waiting for. There is the full Grimsmo picture of the knife with the honeycomb background. We got rid of the 70s font, but we still have kind of a robotic 80s looking font, and so the shirt's still plenty goofy. We didn't lose that characteristic of the knife, and it's just going to be bright blue. Kind of simple, but also goofy, and hopefully you like it too.
Little update on the sink sitch. Oh baby, this looks like it was made to fit there. So tumbler requires water. Eric's got his little buckets there. Yes! They did plumbing like I said. So we've now got, it's this one here. We've now got a drop right there. We've got a drop right there, which I don't know if we need 2 so close together, but it's so cheap to get more put in. So I figured I'd have 3 on there. And then there's one there as well. You can see how they did it. So this sink has hot and cold. And then Eric also has his sink up there. What do you think?
Well, I would normally go downstairs, kind of 1 by 1 or 2 by 2 to empty out all these and replace them. And
You probably wouldn't replace them very often.
no, I wouldn't have done it just now because it's still good for a day or 2. But since it's right here, yeah, this is probably one of the most useful upgrades to the shop.
And we've been here for 3 years.
Yeah.
About damn time.
And the plumbers left like, I don't know, 10 minutes ago, and we're immediately using the sinks.
Yeah. So this is the foam we normally use for the cases. I bought some thicker stuff so that I could make organizers. So we used Kaizen foam and I cut these by hand. And it works okay, but it took a long time. Because I want to organize the blades before they, mid-process. These took a very long time to make too because I had trouble going so deep in the foam without it just kind of tearing into itself. So I had to take very light depths of cut, multiple passes, I think 75 thou down per pass. And then I got it working pretty good, a couple little tiny problems, but nothing too bad. And I made a bunch of them, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's like my little arsenal of yellow soldiers. I love these things. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this episode of Shop Life. I am super pumped to get those t-shirts in. As you can see, I'm a fan of cool t-shirts. I don't buy like normal, I don't go to the mall and buy t-shirts. I only have like cool t-shirts. So yeah, I can't wait to get those new Grimsmo t-shirts. And we will see you guys at Blade Show, which is about a month from today.